welcome to my next video, how to make a zombie Minecraft zombie. It's going to be a little bit difficult how to make the arms stick out a little bit. You see how it's a little hard to do, but it's a little bit easy to make the arms stick out a little bit, but a little hard too. So we're going to get started. I'm just going to face you down. So you're going to make a small green square. Take your black and make the eyes and the mouth. Don't color in yet. You might not want to see. And then you're going to color in the eyes and the mouth black. See? Then you're going to color in the head. I'm going to fast forward it. If you don't catch up, then pause the video, okay? Okay, so you got a tree. Minecraft's face. So we're going to make the hair as long as you want. Maybe you can't see the hair because of the green. You see the hair, okay? So after you've done that, then you're going to take blue, blue, and make a rectangle. Nana, can you come get her? Ignore her. Okay, now it's time to make sticking out arms. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit hard. Yeah. And I did this here. So this is how you make it stick out. That's how you make it stick out. So then we're going to take green and color here. Now we're going to make pants. Blue time. Well, it's not that kind of bow, but it's a different bow. Then you're going to take green again and make the feet. And then you have your zombie. It could make a background. You can make Steve right here getting eaten by a zombie or something. Make some grass, make some trees. Well, the next one that we're going to learn how to do is a skeleton. So, bye! Hello, thank you for watching, and it was my pleasure. I hope you did the picture right, so give it a thumbs up or subscribe. Bye!